Good day to you all. We are back with our daily devotion, and for today, day of Tuesday, we are still with the series 365 daily devotion Bible character edition. For this day, the topic that we're going to talk about is why should I date my spouse. So this topic is about the songs of song or songs of Solomon. So songs of Solomon, this account of Solomon were particularly written to express love, passionate and sacrificial love. And the verse we're going to use reference came in the book of Song of Psalms, chapter 2, verse 16. My beloved is mine, and I am his. He browses among the lilies. So Solomon expresses his deep love in the most significant woman in his life. So he had 1,000 wives and concubines, but he only had one loved. So it teaches us that our love also should be just like how Solomon lived, or how Solomon loved his one lover, sacrificial and passionate. And it teaches us that when we love, we should love like how Jesus Christ loved the church, because for the first teaching, love within marriage is meant to be passionate, exclusive, and covenantal. So when we love, it should be passionate. So when Jesus Christ expressed his love in the church, he was passionate, he is exclusive, and he is covenantal. There's a promise when you love. Second, love within marriage must grow and be nurtured over time. So just like how you love the person that you have married with, just like how you love your spouse, when you love the church, you must love, you must give a love that grows. So you should not love and be stagnant. When you love, you should grow together, you should nurture together and grow together. Lastly, love within marriage points to the greater reality of Christ and the church. So when you love, you must love like how Jesus Christ loved the church. He was sacrificial, he died for the church, he gave everything, he gave his life for the church, and that's the standard of love that we should strive for. We should love like how Jesus Christ loved the church. So how can we apply this daily devotion? Be sacrificial, do not let passionate love fade. Second, be intentional, do not let your marriage stagnant. Be intentional with growth, be intentional with nurturing each other, be intentional of growing together. So lastly, be committed, cultivate your marriage to reflect Christ and the church. So when you love, you must be committed. When you marry, you must be committed to him, just like how Jesus Christ committed his life to the church. He sacrificed his life, he gave his life, and he did everything that he could to save and to love the church. So when we love, we should strive the love that our Lord Jesus Christ had for the church. So that's the standard of love that we should strive for. We should give everything for our spouse. We should learn to grow with them. We should nurture them and be committed, just like how Jesus Christ was committed in the church. So that would be for our daily devotion, as Steve like Christ.